Hello Wilson's family, my name is Swapna Viralam. I'm a 44-year-old woman, married, and I have 2 children. I'm basically from Bangalore but living in Scotland. So I joined Wilson's under Himaja ma'am's guidance in September-October 2024. So I joined with various issues in my hand. So post-pregnancy depression since 2015. Soon after that I developed perimenopause, something I learned when it hit me. I didn't know there was something called perimenopause, irregular periods, mood swings, etc. And then I went to a doctor with a different issue, totally different health issue, and they had to run some blood tests in which various the results were not very happy. Actually, that's when I came to know I was insulin resistant as well. And you know, all these vitamin B, D, K, all possible alphabets were up and down. So I brought this entire 44 pages worth report to Himaja ma'am and I said I need help, because my doctor suggested that no, it was high time that I reached out to a dietitian who could help me with address all these ups and downs in my reports. So I was introduced to Himaja ma'am, and ma'am took a look at this and she put a plan in place, and I started off the 120 days challenge since October 2024. And to begin with, right, before I started this diet journey, I was a very shy person, I was hidden in my own shell, and probably horrible lack of self-esteem, no confidence whatsoever, and I was not someone who would like to meet people. I don't know when that started also. Otherwise, I'm normally a very happy, chirpy person who would like to meet people and enjoy socializing like any one of us. But I never knew when I had started to dislike all of that. It's probably because all these issues that was unattended, unaddressed, and obviously it was showing on my body. I was only putting on but not losing. Never understood why am I putting on in weight. So very ignorant, and got to this issue late, but I'm glad, better late than never. So I'm glad that I got all these tests done, and I got in touch with Himaja ma'am, and with ma'am's help I was able to start this journey really well. And of course, any diet or any workout, any activity that we start is not going to be very happy and smooth or very easy. It will be difficult. So similarly, my journey also started off with a bouncy, rocky road, but ma'am never made this journey feel so difficult at all, because with any problem that I go to, saying, ma'am, I'm feeling like this, ma'am, I'm not able to do that, I'm not able to do this, whatever concern I take to ma'am, she had a clear answer and something that is very easy to follow. So she was able to advise in such a way that I never felt it as a difficult job. So ma'am was in constant touch with me, and she was helping me monitor my weight. Not just weight, there are so many elements to weight as well, which is what I learned after joining Wilson's community. So ma'am was in close touch with me, watching, monitoring, and with her guidance, I can proudly say that I have lost about 31 kgs today, and it's my 130th day today that I'm making this video, and I can proudly say, guys, I have lost 31 kgs. And yes, it is hard work. If I can do it, I am 100% sure any one of you can do it. Not just lost weight, I must say my perimenopause issue is coming to, I won't say it is gone, but it is coming under control. And I have not been taking antidepressants ever since I joined WellSense. So no antidepressants, but I'm absolutely fine. And self-esteem has improved humongously. And all the confidence that I was losing, I am feeling a lot better, and I can proudly say that I walk outside and meet people with my chin up high. And seriously, it does matter. Health matters is what I learned in the past few months after meeting Himaja ma'am. So, and I can vouch for this community, I should say, because I have tried various different I won't name the brands. I have tried various different diets in the past, all in vain. Nothing helped me, unfortunately. As WellSense diet plan, the way it has worked, the other ones have not worked in the same smooth way. So I have not only lost weight, I have also gotten very healthy in various different terms. And yes, I do have a long way to go, and I can't wait to lose even more, furthermore to lose. So I can't wait to start that journey as well. And I won't say how much I was weighing because it is not a nice number. I really can't say that number because I am so ashamed of you saying the number that I was on, the weight that I was on. But yes, I've lost about 31 kgs and I feel proud, and it feels amazing to fit into those clothes because it is not a nice number. I really can't say that number because I am so ashamed of you saying the number that I was on, the weight that I was on. But yes, I've lost about 31 kgs and I feel proud, and it feels amazing to fit into those clothes and see that it is so loose. Even the ones that I'm wearing right now is super loose, but I can't help it. Until I go to India, I'm having to live with these loose clothes. But it is an amazing experience to lose weight and go through your wardrobe to see the small ones that you can fit in. So I wish all of us to go through this kind of amazing experience and stay healthy and stay fit. So wishing all of you the very, very good luck. And lots of love to WellSense, and lots of love and best wishes to Himaja ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Love you.